We're at the train show, and then there's this guy.
Hello.
And he's eating a very salty pretzel, as he calls it. Dude, look, they have one of those Union Pacific lanterns.
I have one, though.
Yeah, so do I, but mine's from the 1800s.
But mine's modern.
Yes, but mine's vintage.
By the way, pointing at me. Little disclaimer, I've never done this and I never plan to, but don't use those on the main line. That should be common sense, but unfortunately people are stupid enough to do it.
Yeah, well, what do you expect?
We have a foamer in the house.
Searchlight.
Are you recording?
Yes. Well, what else would I be doing? Well, I could, but no. What's really cool is when they raise that bridge up. They can actually do that.
I know.
It'd be kind of cool to be part of this club.
This would. I would.
One time I remember they ran a G-scale big boy.
Are you recording?
Yeah, yes.
I'm not going to say what I was thinking.
Good, because I'd slap you upside the head.
Hey, here goes the snowplow.
With a Rio Grande. I can see everyone's favorite E2 tank engine.
Got it. Come on, camera.
Ooh, I like that. That's.
How about this? Could you imagine seeing the railways back?
In the good old days.
Yeah, but there wouldn't be the internet.
Oh dear, there might be a collision.
Oh, yeah. I didn't even notice that.
Here comes everyone's favorite E2 tank engine, otherwise known as Thomas.
We're not talking about you, Thomas. What's Thomas's last name?
I don't know. See you, Thomas. Okay. Oh, that's perfect. Here they
I
come.
wish I could bend.
Here they come.
You're right, this is a good shot. Oh my god, dude. I
City of
nailed it.
Portland.
I nailed it.
I think I got a nice picture.
Yeah, I nailed it, dude. I fucking nailed it. Ow! Got the Buffalo Soldier.
Oi, stop recording.
It's not copywritten, don't worry.
You sure?
If I sing it, no. If you use it, yes. Any second now. Is it?
Any second now.
Oh, here it is. Got it. Oh, it's
Now I've officially caught it. More caught in this
crap,
unit.
well, I got the top of it. That's not terrible, right? Down. warranty if I set this here for a second?
As long as it doesn't touch anywhere near the track.
No problem.
Where is it?
You have my word on that.
Kids, they can just say no to. Adults, they get to break fingers. No. No, don't touch.
Perfect.
You're doing great. Yeah.
Alex.
Hang on.
Nice to meet each other.
Thank you.
Don't touch. That's a very cool.
Alright, I'm gonna test this, see if it does have directional lighting. Okay, so there's that one. That's reverse. Oh, that's so cool! Alright, you tell me how this looks. Hang on, let me get the lights out so you can see the full of it. Oh, very good.